In the last section, we got our list of videos into our video list component. Now, one thing I want to fix up inside of here right away, something that you're going to see done in many locations, is rather than referencing props.videos inside of here, we could instead destructure, using ES 2015 syntax, just the videos property out of the props object. To do so, I'm going to remove the props argument. I will place a set of parentheses and then a set of curly braces inside there. And then inside the curly braces, I'll write out videos. So now, instead of referencing props repetitively inside this component, we could do simply videos.length. Now, of course, we don't want to just print out the number of videos. We actually want to render them out as a list. So inside this video, we're going to start to focus on creating the video item component. We're going to create the video item. We're going to end up having multiple video items when our application is rendered on the screen. And every video item component is going to receive a separate video object. So each video item will be customized to display a slightly different video. All right, let's get to it. I'm going to flip back over to my editor. And inside my components directory, I'm going to make a new file called the videoitem.js. Then inside of here, we'll put together a little bit of JSX to make a functional component as well. And then inside here, I'll say return. How about just a div that says video item for now? And then let's get that export default at the bottom like so. Okay, so now that we've got the video item put together, we're going to flip back over to the video list. So here's the video list. At the top, we're going to import the video item we just created. We will then map over this videos array. And for every video inside there, we will render one single video item component. I apologize for going kind of slow right now, but I've built this app in a course before, and I found that all this terminology or the word video being repeated all over the place very quickly gets really confusing. So I just wanted to make sure that it's really crystal clear what we're doing right now. All right, so at the top of the video list, we are going to import video item from the video item file. Then inside of this functional component, I'm going to take the videos array. This right here is an array passed from the app component, and we're going to map over it. Remember, we pass this inner function that we pass to map a single argument video, like so. So inside of the videos array, there are many objects which we are referring to video. And that's one video right there. This inner function will be called one time for every object inside the videos array. So now inside of here, we're going to return a video item component. We eventually will take this video argument right here and pass it as a prop into video item. But for right now, let's just focus on getting the list to appear on the screen. So when we map over this array, it's going to return a brand new array, which is now going to contain a list of different video item components. I'm going to assign that list of components to a variable called rendered list, like so. So I now say const render list is going to be the result of mapping over the videos array. And now down inside of our return statement down here, rather than referring to videos.length, I'm going to instead print out rendered list like so. All right, this is a good place to save and test out to make sure that we don't have any obvious errors. So I'm going to save the file, flip back over to my application, and then search for something. You are going to see a warning down here about a key prop, but you should also see video item printed on the screen 5 times. If you see any other errors at this point, it means that you very likely have a typo either inside the video list, so compare your contents with mine, or you have a small typo inside of the video item, so also compare your contents with mine. All right, so now that we've got this list of records appearing on the screen, let's take another quick break. When we come back to the next section, we're going to make sure that we take each of these video objects and pass them as a prop down into each video item that we create, and we'll use that to customize the contents of the video item component. So quick pause, and I'll see you in just a minute.